Hey there, y'all. Eric, our functional farmhouse, coming at you first thing 2025. Got a little sneak peek of a project here. Bought my dream hoist, and we are going to be installing it out here. Got a skid steer, got myself a dump trailer. We're doing all sorts of crazy stuff. So we're going to be about 10 cubic yards of 5,000 psi concrete plus number 4 rebar, 2 feet on center. And yeah, I've got a map for the anchors, and we're going to be undergrounding my hydraulic line. So I've got some 4-inch conduit we're going to be putting in, and we're just doing excavation right now. I rented a grapple bucket and then promptly ran over the hydraulic lines, so I had to make a couple repairs here. The rental yard, this is obviously New Year's week. It's the 4th today. Today's the 4th, and rental yard's like, yeah, well, we're closed, so you can just go get it fixed. I'm like, all right, well, we'll handle it. So I've ripped out, I don't know, 20 cubic yards of green waste, and then we we went scorched earth out here. We ripped out the entirety. Don't worry, this paver walkway is going to come out as well. But we opened up our entire yard. We've had the square footage, but it's just been hidden. We've got defunct drainage. This doesn't go anywhere. And then, yeah, we ripped everything. Well, one, we need more space. Lots of rodents in this. And two, it's a fire hazard. You know, having juniper underneath my wooden eaves, not that awesome. So we've been busy this week. And this is only the first of many stages. And so, I'm digging this dirt, and we've got it out here. We're gonna repurpose this, all this stuff, to go in this new patio area. And here's a cool little fort I built for Philip. He got himself a barn door, and he's got all sorts of super cool kid stuff in here. And I finished it with flooring. We do some LVP, lumber liquidators, or whatever they changed their name to, is going out of business, so I bought this stuff for super cheap. But he's got this super cool fort out here in our little forest, we call it. And yeah, that's pretty nice. He can close this up. It's got airflow, keeps the dog out if he doesn't want it. But yeah, just a couple things we're working on. We got a lot of work to do. But yeah, what are y'all working on? This is exciting. Carol and I have been wanting to rip out this juniper for 7 years, and we didn't really have, we knew what we didn't want, and now we finally know what we do want. So this is going to get really nice. And yeah, we're just plugging away, working on this stuff. I gotta dig a little more, hand shovel into the skid steer bucket, because I don't want to break up my concrete that I have. This thing's super powerful, and it just happens to be, a neighbor of mine had this, and he's like, well, if you need to borrow it. I tried renting an excavator with this dump trailer, and they were kind of, I don't want to say they're jerking me around, but they didn't have any tentative dates, and I gotta get my concrete in and curing so I can install this hoist, because I've got two out of 3 dead cars now. So our office car, aka airport car, Ford Focus, got towed home this week, stick shift, and one of the shafts, input selector shafts, sheared off the transmission. It's pot metal. I can fix it, but I gotta get the transmission out so I can clean it up and weld it back on. But I need my lift in, and gotta get that going. And then of course, Mama's car needs an engine. That's gonna be a whole thing we're gonna document when we get to it. All right, y'all. Well, that's a quick little update, and see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe.